Hi, this is Divya and I'm an designer at Design and Kitchen, and today I'm showing you this kitchen. So over here I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of this kitchen, what we have in store for you. So this one fitting we have for the sliding fitting, which accommodates your, probably we can accommodate a shelf in this fitting, and we can have a pull out which accommodates your snack storage as well as your bottle storage. The sliding fitting, this is one of the best solutions to have a different concept for your kitchen, having maximum storage in terms of dividing into 4 shelves, and also we can add up different light. Also we can go for different finishes, internal finishes in the carcass. So these are the 2 drawers unit which have push to open fitting with the glass partition on the edges, and it comes with an internal drawer as well, which we have. This is soft close in Connaught with from Ethnic brand. Coming over here, this is a GKPT unit which we can organize your plates as well as your bowls, and there's a dip tray given over here just in case you have little bit water into your plates and bowls. So it drips in over here, and you can probably pull the tray out and wash in the sink. This is the same cabinet we can organize basically over here and the cutout section, and we can organize your detergents, cleaning soaps and dispensers like this in this unit. Coming over here, this is your tall unit which accommodates your above storage with a couple of this kind of accessory we can accommodate in tall unit. This is a microwave which we can accommodate. Then this is a below storage we can have. Certainly we can probably plan it with the drawers as well, or certainly we can plan it with the shelves as well. Coming over here, so this is one fitting we have in store for you, which accommodates most probably, this looks like a simple counter which can have breakfast chairs as well. And if you want something like this just to have your breakfast table, and you're probably going to have your dining table in the kitchen itself, so this can serve the purpose. So this comes with a countertop of cords on the bay countertop, and this also have some couple of open boxes just to highlight your books as well as your decor pieces. Coming over here, there are small drawers we can have, certainly just to accommodate your pot and pans. Thank you.